With the growth in the living standard, the popularizing rate of automobile is increasing. Thus more problems occurred when we used automobiles, such as the low-power battery for cars, insufficient tire pressure, and tripod warning plate not obvious, no lighting while car repairing at night, and other problems. These problems even lead to a second traffic accidents. For most drivers to solve problems, car assistants spare no efforts on a series of emergency toolkit by long-term practice and elaborate design. For example, the car tire pressure is insufficient or air leakage while driving. The portable car assistant can provide high-speed gas pump. Normal car battery life is 2 to 3 years or even lower. Proper use of the battery is also important. Many people waiting in the car with power off, but the air conditioner is on or parking lights are on, which will lead to a shorter life of the car battery or the car can't be started. Car Assistant Emergency Power Bank will make you worry-free about your journey. There may be something goes wrong while driving, so that we must stop or check or deal with accident. Now Car Assistant Flash LED warning light is very necessary. Traditional tripod warning plate may not be obvious or send you active tips while driving at night, rain or foggy days. But Car Assistant Flash LED warning light will remind you there is accident happened by flashlight and active tips. Thus the driver of the coming cars will have enough time to avoid accidents or second accident to be happened. There also may be something goes wrong while driving in the night or in the highway. If your car is broken in the night, are you eager to have a light with you? No worries, Car Assistant will be here, so you can camping or have a picnic with ease. Long-distance travel with sufficient power, Car Assistant Multifunctional Backup Power Supply is your mobile power station. Make your journey smooth. Car Assistant Multifunctional Emergency Toolkit. Make you worry-free about your trip and be with you during the whole journey.